Hello, friends. Good morning to all of you. 8th standard subject General Science, 10th unit number 10th cell and cell organelles. Today's before we learn about the meaning of cell as well as the structure of plant cell and animal cell and main distinguishing factors of plant cell and animal cell, as well as we take the study of organelles of these cells and we learn this some functions of these organelles in short. या आधीच्या तासांमध्ये आपण सेल म्हणजे काय, प्लांट सेल आणि ॲनिमल सेल यांच्यामध्ये जो एक बेसिक डिफरन्स आहे त्याबद्दल आपण अभ्यास केला आणि त्यांच्यामध्ये जे ऑर्गनेल्स आहेत, छोटे छोटे जे ऑर्गनेल्स आहेत त्यांचे काही फंक्शन्स होते ते थोडक्यात आपण बघितले होते. नाउ टुडे वी लर्न अबाउट द फंक्शन्स ऑफ these organelles in details. Now, organelle is a specialized subunit having specific function within the cell. They are organs of the cell. Each organelle has its own lipoprotein membrane. First, nucleus. When we observe under electron microscope, we can see nucleus covered by a double layer membrane with small pores. डायग्राम मध्ये सुद्धा सगळ्यांना दिसत असेल की फर्स्ट ऑर्गनेल आपण न्यूक्लियस बाबत आपण बघतोय. न्यूक्लियसचं जे आउटरिंग कव्हर जे आहे त्यामध्ये आपल्याला छोटे छोटे पोर्स आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतील. These pores allow the passage of material in and out of the nucleus. न्यूक्लियसमध्ये काही गरजेचे जे पदार्थ आहेत, मे बी इट वॉटर और सम गॅसेस लाईक ऑक्सिजन और एनी अदर, त्यांना आतमध्ये प्रवेश करण्यासाठी ह्या पोर्स जे आहेत ह्या पोर्सची मदत होते. त्यामार्फत हे पदार्थ आतमध्ये प्रवेश करत असतात. न्यूक्लियस हॅज वन राउंड nucleolus and a network of chromatin fiber. Chromatin fibers are thin thread-like structures which condense to form a short 3 chromosomes at the time of cell division. हे जे क्रोमॅटिन फायबर्सचं जे थिन थ्रेड लाईक स्ट्रक्चर जे आहे ना, ते म्हणजे एखादी पेशी किंवा जो ऑर्गन असेल त्याचे जे गुणधर्म जे आहेत ते प्रॉपर्टीज बांधून ठेवण्याचं काम त्या न्यूक्लिओल्समध्ये केलं जातं. आतमध्ये जो आपल्याला लाल रंगाचा जो न्यूक्लिओल्स दिसतोय त्यामध्ये हे क्रोमॅटिन फायबर्सचं जे थ्रेड लाईक स्ट्रक्चर आहे त्यामध्ये बांधलं गेलेलं असतं. याचा उपयोग ज्यावेळी सेल्स डिव्हिजन होऊन नवीन सेल्सची निर्मिती होत असते त्यावेळी ह्या क्रोमोझोमचा उपयोग, हे क्रोमोझोम ते जे त्या सेल्सच्या किंवा त्याच्या ज्या प्रॉपर्टीज आहेत त्याचे जे गुणधर्म आहेत ते पुढे स्थलांतरित करण्याचं काम करत असतात. फंक्शनल सेगमेंट ऑफ क्रोमोझोम आर कॉल्ड ॲज जीन्स. Functions of nucleus. First, it controls all metabolic activities of cell and also the cell division. Second, it is involved in transmission of hereditary characters from parents to offspring. Now second, endoplasmic reticulum. The organelle which conduct various substances inside the cell is called endoplasmic reticulum. Has a net-like structure consisting of interconnected miniature tubes and sheets filled with fluid. Endoplasmic reticulum is connected to nucleus from inner side of plasma membrane from outer side. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosome granules on its outer surface. Functions of endoplasmic reticulum: first, it is framework that supports cell. Second, conduction of proteins. Third, toxins that have entered the body through food, air, and water are made water soluble by endoplasmic reticulum and then flush out of the body. Now, next organelle is Golgi complex. It is made up of 5 to 8 hollow and flat sacs placed parallel to each other. These sacs are called cisternae and are filled with different enzymes. The proteins coming from endoplasmic reticulum are enclosed in vesicles which come towards Golgi complex via cytoplasm. They fuse with the formation of face of the Golgi membranes and empty their contents in the cistern. As they pass through the cisternae, they are chemically modified with the help of enzymes. They are again packed in the vesicles. This vesicle exists from the maturation phase. Thus, cisternae work like the packing department and packs and distributes substances. Functions: 1. Golgi complex is a secretory organ of the cell. Second, it modifies, sorts, and packs materials synthesized in the cell and dispatches them to various targets like plasma membrane, lysosome, etc. Third, it produces vacuoles and secretory vesicles. 4. It helps in the formation of cell wall, plasma membrane, and lysosome. Now, next organelle is lysosome. Due to various metabolic activities in the cell, organic waste is generated. Lysosome digests the waste. Lysosomes are simple single membrane bound sacs filled with digestive enzymes. Functions: 1. Immune system. It destroys viruses and bacteria that attack the cell. Second, demolition squads. It is destroys 1. Outcellular organelles and organic debris. 3. Suicide bags. When a cell becomes old or is damaged, lysosome burst and enzymes digest their own cells. 4. During starvation, lysosome digest stored proteins, fats, etc. Now, next organelle, mitochondria. Each cell requires energy and this energy is produced in the mitochondria. Under the electron microscope, a mitochondrion is seen as double membrane structure. The outer membrane is porous and the inner membrane is deeply folded. These folds are called cristae. The inner cavity is filled with proteinaceous gel-like matrix containing ribosome, phosphate granules, and DNA. Therefore, it can produce its own protein. With the help of enzymes, mitochondria oxidize carbohydrates and fats in the cell. The energy released in this process is stored in mitochondria in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Plant cells has less mitochondria than animal cells. Function: to produce energy rich compound ATP. Second, synthesis of proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, etc. by using the energy in ATP. Next, vacuoles. Vacuoles are the storage sacs for solid or liquid content. They do not have any typical shape or size. The structure of vacuole changes accordingly to need of the cell. Vacuole is bound by single membrane. Functions: 1. To maintain the osmotic pressure of the cell. Second, to store metabolic byproducts and end products. 3. In animal cell, they store waste product and food, while in amoeba, it stored food before digestion. 4. In plant cell, vacuoles are full of cell sap and provide rigidity to them. Now, last organelle is chloroplast. Chloroplast Chloroplasts are important for photosynthesis process that takes place in the leaves. Chlorophyll in chloroplast traps solar energy and convert it to chemical energy. Stroma in the chloroplast contain enzymes, DNA, ribosomes and carbohydrates that are necessary for photosynthesis. Functions: 1. Chloroplast convert solar energy to chemical energy. Second, chromoplast give different colors to flowers and fruits. 3. Leucoplasts are involved in the synthesis and storage of food like starch, oil, and proteins.